Hi, this is Patty. Welcome back to our training tutorials. We're going through the basic elements. Today we're going to talk about our line element. And without further ado, we'll just go up into the upper left-hand section of our editor and just bring in our element. The line properties on the left opens up. You have two choices for orientation. One is horizontal, the other one is vertical. We're going to keep it in horizontal for the purpose of this training. You can increase the line thickness, however wide you want this to be. You can use this for a nice divider between content or a border if you'd like that as well too. You can change the color. By the way, you have thousands of colors to choose from by using these hex sliders. So feel free to be as creative as you wish. I'm going to just pick that brownish yellow. The style you can choose from dash, dotted, double, and light shadow. I'm just going to show the dotted one here. And then you can also add animation if you wish to have something fly in from the right. We'll go in our half second, and if you wanted a heartbeat. So we'll see how that looks coming in. And there you go. So very basic element here, but it does perk up your designs and you can make them as creative as you wish. So stay tuned for additional basic element tutorials.